Dear students, today I am going to discuss about phenol chapter 1 NCERT based on NCERT. Now, first of all, I will discuss about hydroboration reaction. In this case, in case of hydroboration reaction, we will get CH3 CH double bond CH2 and the presence of H2O2 and B2H6. B2H6 here diboron, and in the presence of NH3 it will form BH3. Okay, and BH3 here have 3 bond, that's why it form in the presence of 3 molecule of CH3 CH double bond CH2, and it forms CH3 CH2 CH2 whole 3 B, and here basically 1 degree carbocation is formed, and this is follow one anti-Markovnikov reaction, and finally it will form in the presence of hydrogen peroxide 1 degree alcohol and 3 molecules alcohol, because of here 3 group is present, that is propyl group, and finally answer is 3CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Okay, now I will discuss about next question reaction, that is cumin reaction. Okay, in this cumin reaction basically we will get about cumin, and we will form cumin from benzene and isopropyl group CH3 CH double one CH2, and it will form 2 degree carbocation, and benzene act as a nucleophile, and then nucleophile attached to with this group, and then it will form cumin, it is called cumin. Okay, and now in the presence of oxygen, here form here C double O H, and here CH3, and finally in the presence of H2SO4 or heat, it form phenol, here OH phenol group, and other is CH3CO CH3, that is acetone or ketone. Okay, this is cumin reaction. Okay, now next reaction is phenol in the presence of concentrated HNO3 and dilute HNO3. Phenol, here phenol, and in the presence of this benzene and this phenol, in the presence of concentrated HNO3 it will form 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, that is called picric acid phenol, and here in the position of 2,4,6 NO2 is attached. Okay, and it is called picric acid or 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and in the presence of dilute HNO3, here ortho para position is attached, and then ortho and para nitrophenol is formed, that is called ortho, and here para basically para here more stable or major product because of steric hindrance in this position. Okay, and now here actually form one intramolecular hydrogen bond, and here in between 2 para position or between 2 nitro group it form intermolecular hydrogen bond. And now in the presence of Br2 CS2, a orthopara bromobenzene is formed. it is ortho, and its para is major. And in the presence of Br2 water or Br2 water, and here instead of CH2 we can get CHCl3 or chloroform. Okay, now when we will give Br2 water, then it will form 2,4,6 tribromophenol, 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Now next reaction is CHCl3 and NaOH and H3O plus with phenol, and it will form salicylaldehyde. Okay, this reaction is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and it forms salicylaldehyde. Here benzene and OH group and CHO group. Okay, and it form Kolbe reaction. It forms salicylic acid, here OH, and here COOH. When in the presence of acetic anhydride CH3 CO, it form aspirin. The all reaction are from NCERT. It is acid and it is base, that's why bond with basic CO CH3, and it will remain COOH. And when it is treated with CH3 OH, that is methanol, this is base and this is base, that's why base to each other not react, and acid and base will be react, and then it form here first of all OH group phenol, and here COOCH3. Okay, now next reaction about alcohol, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol, which will be differentiate by Lucas reagent. And now I will form 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol by using of Grignard reagent. We know that about Grignard reagent, that is Grignard reagent CH3MgBr, and it minus, this is minus, and it plus, and it is minus. Then when we will get formaldehyde, then by Grignard reagent CH3MgBr is minus, it is plus, it is minus, the minus attack to positive situation, and this it will form minus. Then MgBr attached to with here MgBr. Then finally by hydrolyzing H3O plus, by using of H3O plus or HCl, then it will form C here hydrogen, and C here hydrogen, and here OH, and here CH3. Then it will form CH3 CH2OH, means 1 degree alcohol. Now when instead of this hydrogen atom we can use CH3, then it's called acetaldehyde, and then it will form here extra one hydrogen, and it's called 2 degree alcohol. Now like this, here CH3, here C double bond H in the presence of Grignard reagent, and finally it will form COH, and here hydrogen, here CH3 methyl group, and here CH3 methyl group. It is called 2 degree alcohol because of this functional carbon attached to carbon, that's why it's called 2 degree alcohol. And here one carbon is attached, that's why it's called 1 degree alcohol. Okay, and you can say about in the presence of hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, that's why it's 1 degree, and one hydrogen, this is 1 degree. And in case of 3 degree, there have no any hydrogen atom. Now instead of this hydrogen we can use another CH3 or methyl group, then it will like this, and it called acetone or ketone. And in the presence of Grignard reagent, it will form 3 here one methyl group attached with methyl group, then it will 3 degree alcohol. Okay, 3 degree alcohol. By this process, in the presence of Grignard reagent, we can form 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol. This is the important reaction from NCERT alcohol chapter, basically phenol chapter. And next I will discuss about next part of alcohol, phenol and ether, which actually important, and I have already discussed more chapters in this channel. You can follow this, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and press bell icon button and subscribe to my channel for my support. Okay, thank you.